everyone, this sound is another stretchy sound and it's the sound E. 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 Well done. Let's write the E sound on the board. So this is how we write the E sound. It's made up of two letters, but remember they're special friends. So we need to draw a line so that we always make sure we put them together. So when they're together, they make a new sound. They make the sound E. Now, here is the E card. Can you see? And this is the picture and the phrase that helps us going to remember our E sound. And it's E, what can you see? Well, what can you see? I can see some people up a tree. I wonder what they're looking at. Do you know what they're looking through? Yes, this person here has got some binoculars. I wonder what he can see. Have a little think. What do you think he might be able to see? Could be anything, couldn't it? Yeah. So, E, what can you see? So this is our E sound, and we're going to put it here so we can see. E, what can you see? Now, we've got some green words to read with the E sound in. Can you see? Green. Green. E. Three. Number 3. Sleep. Sleep. And seen. Seen. What do we think that they have seen? Now, let's see if we can find the E sound on our chart. So, where is it? Is it this one? Ah, there it is. Shall I point it with the finger? E. Excellent. E, what can you see? And can you remember this sound from last time? A. Excellent. A and E. So, this time we're going to do some spelling with our thread fingers. Okay? So, I'm going to give you a word. The first word is bean. Bean. So we need 3 fingers. There are 3 sounds in the word bean. B-E-N. Bean. How about the word see? 2 sounds. S-E. See. Now we're going to have the word keep. And keep has 3 sounds. Which sound comes first in keep? K-E-P. Keep. And the next word is the word feel. And we need 3 fingers again. There are 3 sounds in the word feel. F-E-L. Feel. So you need to listen carefully because sometimes the E sound will be the middle sound and sometimes the E sound will be the last sound that you hear in the word. Okay? So, let's see if we can write some of these words. Okay? So get your pen ready. Don't forget your dots and dashes. So we need to be able to see those sound buttons. So the first word was bean. Bean. I can hear a B. So we'll write them. You see if you get the same as me. B-een. B-een. Bean. Yeah, did you get that right? 3 sounds? Great. The next one has 2 sounds. C, C, S, E. What can you see? Did you get that? Excellent. The next one is keep. Keep. Now, this is a little bit tricky because you're going to have to decide which k sound to use. Is it the caterpillar or is it the kangaroo? If you're a bit unsure, try writing it with both and see which one you think looks right. Okay? It's got 3 sounds in the word keep. I know that the word keep starts with the kangaroo k. So I'm going to write here k, e, p, keep. Well done if you got that right. And then the next one was feel. Feel. So we need to start it with the f sound. Well done. Eel. Eel. Feel. Excellent. Well done. Now we're just going to do one last thing because now we've got 2 sounds. We're going to start mixing them up to see if we can remember them. So here's our E sound. This is our sound from last time, which was A, may I play? And then I've just got a couple of set 1 sounds so that we can help to remember them. So we're going to stick our E sound in the middle. Okay? And we're going to go through them. So when we come across our E sound, point. So we know that's our new one. So you ready? Can you remember this sound? A. A, may I play? A. J. Did you all stick your tongue out with me there? E. What can you see? Excellent, our new sound. Ng. And back to A. Well done everybody, we'll have a new sound to learn next time.